Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you cute wings hack that you need to try in Dress to Impress game of Roblox. Okay guys, this is how the wing looks like and I'm going to show you how we can create this wing. Okay guys, to create this wing, you need seashell crown. I'm going to show you. Okay, you will need this item, the seashell crown. You can go to the dressing room and then you can put on this seashell crown, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment to create the cute wing. Okay, I'm going to click on my seashell crown. Okay, here you can choose default and then you can follow my adjustment. Okay, you can position it like this and then rotate and scale. And for the color, you can choose the color that you like, and for me, I have selected this pink color which matches my outfit. Yeah, that's so simple. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cute wing and Dress to Impress for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.